Hi friends, my name is Kaushal Kumar from Kaushal Kumar LLC. In this video, I am going to talk about how to change the SSH password for your VICIdial server. We advise you to change the SSH password for your VICIdial server in the very beginning when you start the configuration. Make sure that you choose a strong password, as the weak passwords are very easy to brute force. I suggest a combination of letters, numbers and symbols. To change the SSH password for your VICIdial server, you need a SSH client and log in as a root user in SSH console. If you don't know how to access VICIdial server via SSH, I have a tutorial for that and the link is in the video description. As you can see, I am already logged into SSH. When you are ready, type in the command passwd and press enter. It will ask you for your new password. Type in the password. When you type the password, you will see that it does not actually appear on the screen, but it does. Press enter. Type the password again and press enter. Now the password has been changed successfully. For more tutorials on VICIdial, you can always go to our website kaushalkumar.com and click on tutorials. We also provide high performance VICIdial hosting in different configurations. You can choose from one of the 15 server locations. All our servers use pure SSD for unmatched performance and comes with latest version of VICIdial pre-installed. We generally deliver servers in less than an hour. They should be the best option out there, as you will always have the support of highly experienced VICIdial professionals at all times. I'll leave the link in the description below. And yes, you can hire us for your VICIdial configuration as well as premium support anytime. So let's meet at the next video.